Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a shave video. I wanted to give my iPad another shot as far as taking videos, and as you can see, it has a little bit different of an angle, so it's not as wide of a view, and that kind of makes things a little bit more challenging, and it brings me up pretty close. But I do like the fact that there is a larger screen to look at, and I'm not going to peek at the mirror as much. Hopefully I can look at you. And I'm going to try out one of these fancy misters, and I don't know, I mean, is it worth it? I don't know, but let's go ahead and give it a little. And I have used this before, so you have to give it a few pumps, and the thing is, once it's going, it's like a diesel, man. It just keeps going and going and going and going, and whew, that is a lot of water. It's in my eyes, it's everywhere. Anyway, it does wet the face, but it's uncontrollable, like my ex-wife. Oh, terrible joke, but serious. Anyway, I'm going to use a glycerin cube there, glycerin soap. Cut. So I try not to rehearse anything, but sometimes life gets in the way. And anyway, today's shave soap is by Shannons Soap, and it is Champagne Toast. And to me, this is a awesome scent. If you want to know the scent profile, well, don't check their website because you're not going to find it. I will tell you that it is a sweet, kind of a bubbly, boozy type scent, and it's great. And I do have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm going to be using my Trotters brush, upside down horse, there we go. And let's go ahead and get to lather. This is a Badger knot, and it is the T1, and it is very nice and soft, and it just makes you feel all warm and tingly inside when you use it. And it is still being kind of broke in, so the bristles and such are still wanting to kind of absorb some of the soap, or at least that's kind of what I'm finding out. So I've been doing the normal break-in where I soak it overnight, rinse it, lather it, let it dry, repeat. And so that's how it works for me. And being that I have this iPad here, it's taking up a lot more room on my sink. Today's razor, I figured, uh-oh, shaky tripod. I had to put an extension on my tripod to get it where you could see me. But anyway, today's razor is going to be the Occams razor, and this is the Nano version. I did polish it because I didn't like the black originally, and this is one of those things I've seen other people using it, and so I wanted to break mine back out. It is a fabulous razor, so maybe I should just not say much more. I do have 2 days worth of growth, and I'm using the Feather Pro Guard blade, and I believe this will be the last use on this blade. No issues mowing through the growth, and I will say this is definitely a smooth razor. I really enjoy using it. The first couple times I used it, I wasn't real happy with it, but I think I've talked about that in the past, and that just had to be with the blade loading issue that I had, which is not really an issue. It's just a matter of looking at the little tabs and making sure that your cutting edge is not bumping into those as you're loading it, because those are what retain it, so they've got to be kind of in the way. plenty of residual slickness, and the scent is, did I tell you it's nice? No, what I was going to say was the scent on this is not overpowering. It's right there at the medium, which is where I like it. If you don't have any Shannons soaps, I encourage you to reach out and find some. I'm sure that you will enjoy it. Maybe not as much as I do, but you will enjoy it. All right, we got lathered up there for past 2. Watch out, we might fall over. I won't be using the iPad any longer, I believe. Let's go ahead and go across the grain. The one nice thing about these Artisan Club blades is it makes for a quick shave. And, you know, if you're in a hurry, that helps. If you're not, you can just enjoy your shave and go a little slower. I had something weighing on my mind and I wanted to talk about it. I'm not sure if I really want to talk about it or not because the shave is almost over. And I don't know if I want to do it to you, but I would like to know what your response would be if you were placed in this situation. Let me finish the shave and then I'll talk about it. That way, if you're not wanting to hear the bony baloney, you can just skip right past it. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water and I will be right back. All right, let's go ahead and apply the ice cube. I did remember that this morning. And it's Sunday. Wow, where did the week go? Speaking of the week and my shaky tripod, that bothers me. I don't know that I'm a perfectionist, but I do like to have things as best as possible within reason. And so I'm not even going to talk about what I was going to talk about. I'll save that for another video. But yeah, so what a nice shave. I need to, let's see, what do I need to do? Oh yes, I need to grab the matching aftershave splash. I'm going to give this a shake because it does look a little different than my other Shannons soaps. The other ones look kind of a little milkier, and this one looks a little clearer, so I'm just going to give it a little shake because it is new. It's never been used before. Oh, wow. Yeah, so as far as the week that went by, I met up with a fellow wet shaver, and it was a nice time. We sat and talked about wet shaving products and our experiences, and it was fun. So Al, thank you very much. That was enjoyable. I'm going to grab some star jelly to complete my shave because I love star jelly. If you haven't tried the star jelly and you're placing an order, they do have a sample pack, and I believe it's 99 cents, or it was. And you can get several shaves out of it just to try it, you know, 99 cents. Anyway, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I have no affiliate links with anybody that I show their products. It's just my hard-earned money that I spent, and I wanted to share these things with you. And if I get something bad or something I don't like, I will definitely let you know. Or if it's so bad, I'm just not going to make a video on it because I don't want to advertise for bad things. Oh, boy. All right, well, you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.